Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to free up space with Windows 11 storage settings. So all I got to do is just hit the search bar at the top left here or at the bottom and type storage settings. Right. So storage, right here, settings. Right. You're going to see inside or below storage. You see that Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So click the blue highlighted sentence here, configure Storage Sense, or run it now. It's gonna take you here. So all you gotta do is just scroll a little bit down. If the Storage Sense toggle is off, make sure to toggle it on. Right? Scroll a little bit down and hit clean now. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.